Hey, what's up guys? Sam here. And I'll be doing the free video for Friday, November 10th, 2023. So in this free video, I may set my own personal record for shortest YouTube video ever done on a Friday. Let's see if I can break the record. I don't know exactly what the record is, but let's see if I can get it in under 5 minutes. Normally we go 10. But there's not a ton of nuance in this market. I really just want to focus on one signal with you, right? I just finished doing the premium video for the folks in the gold room, and it was a short video there as well. But we took a very quick tour around the world, looked at bonds, looked at dollar, looked at junk bonds, looked at the indexes, and we're just looking to see if there's any problems, right? Very quickly, because we know that they're not. And I just want to bring you guys here on the YouTube the predominant signal that I see going into the end of the year. It is quite a large signal, and it is a signal that is also bolstered by the fact that there are very positive seasonality patterns basically from now until the end of the year. So I'm going to give you one signal today, and just know that this signal will apply to basically every major tech stock that you follow, whether it's Nvidia, Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, Avgo, AMD, Dell, Adobe, Palantir, Now, you know the names. So let's dive in. The signal is going to be right here on the QQQ, and it's this kind of weekly, you can call it whatever you want to call it. I'll just point out one thing here, and that is on my structure score, which is an indicator that measures momentum as well as the structure of the chart. A maximum score is Michael Jordan 23. Unintentional, but I like it. 23 is a perfect score, and that is what you got here on the QQQ. A perfect weekly score for the bulls with a slingshot squeeze in play. So what does a perfect score look like? Why is it a perfect score? It's a perfect score because it has the correct structure on top, it has the correct trend profile, and it has thrust, fresh thrust, as indicated by the up arrow. Look what happened last time you got thrust, and alignment. So everything is aligned here. So this kind of squeeze also, notice how it actually hasn't even gone positive. It's just started to hook. That basically tells you have like tons and tons of room that you can run here, right? Closing this week above this key level also, 375.66, really impressive stuff. So, of course, the one caveat here is that we have run a lot, and telling you to buy it exactly here, buy the market on Monday would be imprudent, but also I think maybe more costly is to be overly cautious, right? So as long as you can control for your risk, I think you can do anything in this market as long as it's to the long side. I would be very cautious to the short side unless you have amazingly well-aligned signals, and I would be very quick to take profits given the aggression factor of this market. But the main signal, again, to round out my shortest video on YouTube of all time, is going to be right there. Perfect signal on the QQQ weekly chart, and if you get what I'm putting down, if that signal fires long, you can basically close your eyes, spin in a circle, throw a dart at a board of tech stocks, and whatever you hit will work. Some of my favorite picks: Microsoft, Meta, Avgo, Now, Dell, Nvidia, Adobe, Palantir, and I think that might be enough. Alright guys, well that is the video. We'll come back next week, see how it did. Again, we are a little bit elevated here, but the signal on the weekly chart is just really that potent. It ranks out as a perfect signal, so I wanted to just focus on that with you today. Thanks for watching guys. Leave us a like, leave us a comment down below. Especially if you disagree. Leave us a comment if you disagree, and we'll catch up again next week on Friday. Cheers. Hey traders, this is Sam with Simpler Trading. I want to thank you for watching today's video. Hopefully you found the information in it helpful. If you did, leave us a like, leave us a comment. It really does help us out with the algorithm. And if you want to see us trade live with our own real money and be part of the community, come and check us out at simplertrading.com.